here is this 1970 Super B hardtop, and it is just, oh man, we're going to have to get some CPR over here for Mr. Jacobs.
I need a bib is what I need. Behold, this is one of two of my favorite cars here at this auction, the 69 Roadrunner Hemi being the other one. But this is a one of one, done up in Panther Pink with a painted white top. The only one known to exist, was exported to Canada and sold in Regina, Saskatchewan.
Yes.
383, 335 horsepower with that big pistol grip 4-speed. Saying hello, everybody.
How did Tim Wellborn miss this one?
You know what? I was just thinking this has got Tim Wellborn's name all over it.
Yeah,
I wouldn't be surprised if it spent some time in his museum, or maybe might spend some time in his museum in the future.
Yeah, he'd be the guy.
It deserves it, that's for sure. What a color, and probably the most polarizing of all the high-impact colors.
Definitely.
Panther Pink in the Dodge, Moulin Rouge in the Plymouth FM3.
Comes with a T-shirt that said, "Real men drive pink cars."
Yes.
I certainly would. Gorgeous, gorgeous car.
Took that. We're in a 132.5. Now we're out. 135, asking 140. What do you want to do?
And John, you made the point about the 340. I feel the same exact way about the 383. Doesn't need to be a Hemi. Doesn't need to be a 440. I would drive this car all day, every day.
Came to buy it. Let's get a bud.
Last call if you want it, sir. 140. He's waiting at
Trev Morvac says last call. What are they going to do?
They may not come back.
140.
They may not come back this time. 140.
Big decision. Telephone with the high bid.
Ooh, 140. We're out.
145 telephone. 145. 145. 145.
John, maybe a record for a 383? I mean, we're looking at big money for that. That's fantastic to see.
Have no data to support it, but I would say yes. $140,000 in the house. No surprise we saw extreme action on that. And you know, we didn't really talk about the high quality restoration. We talked about the fact that it's this cool color, very unusual, but had everything going for it.
You could eat dinner off that undercarriage, which is why it was displayed with the mirrors so people could see.
Yep.
Right.